Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create faceless AI video, and I'm using StoryShorts. And I have a base plan which gives me 400 credits, and I'm going to select this option, which is generate video, and I'm going to select the first most popular option here. And now we can see we are using text to video, or prompt to video here. I'm going to use ChatGPT to get me all the contents, and I've already entered the content here. So select the content and paste it here, and remove quotations and select time 30 seconds, and I will skip, and I will select what type of image do I want to create, and I'll leave this cartoon here. And so I've increased the credit size here so that the image is more well defined, and I can keep everything same audio or background music, and yep, everything's good. So I'll click generate video here. Right, so now we have to wait. So I'll see this video editor screen now, yes, and then once the editing begins, it takes around 2 minutes to generate this video, so I'll pause here and I'll get back to you. Okay, now we can see most of the video has already been generated and it's almost done. And once it's done, I will play. Yep, alright, it's ready. So I'll just play one segment. Yeah, let me go to the top. Yep, select the first one. Yep, and then play the video, and this will create your faceless AI video. It's very simple. Okay, see you everyone. I hope you enjoy this video.